friends, this is by Louie. Hi friends, this is by Louie and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I bought presents for my inaanak. But before I show you guys the things that I bought for my mga inaanak, I just want to share, being a ninong doesn't mean you'll be the Santa every December, guys, or Christmas celebration. For me, being a ninong or ninang is more than just a ceremonial title. It's a lifelong commitment to guide, to protect, to support, and be present in a child's life. It means showing up with wisdom, values, and genuine care, especially when it matters most. In short, you are to make sure that that child ay lumaking mabuting tao. So before I show you guys the things that I bought earlier, I just want to share to you guys why I decided to came back in content creation. So a lot of you might be wondering, saan ako nanggaling? Well, life happened, and because I am bored, I feel like my life is directionless and I am just me trying to navigate my life. In fact, I almost enrolled myself in a masteral degree or masteral program, and then I remembered, well, gumagawa pala ako ng mga videos sa YouTube before, and why not try to make YouTube videos again, di ba? Doon ko talaga na-realize na, oh, I am bored. Napag-isip-isipan kong bumalik dito sa YouTube. There are a few YouTubers that inspired me a lot. Pinaka nag-inspire sa akin bumalik sa YouTube ay si Rai Velasco, and dahil sa kanyang 2-part Switzerland travel vlog, it struck me as in na-motivate ako, na-inspire ako, and hopefully makapag-travel vlog din ako soon. Also, yung mga aesthetic videos ni Kinito, Larby Policarpio, also same with That's Bella. Kung paano nila ina-edit yung mga videos nila, parang na-inspire ako because clean, minimal, aesthetic. For the color grading naman, I am also inspired by Lo and also Tatsuki. Okay, going back for today's video, since it's December now, and December is known for Christmas, and Christmas is known for this season of giving, might as well buy things or presents for my mga inaanak. Yes, meron po akong mga inaanak, guys. Actually, 3 po sila. Si Jeriel, si Lucas, and si Kaiden. For Kaiden and Lucas, guys, I hope magustuhan ng kanilang mga ina. Kasi 'di ba mga ina naman talaga ang mga unang napapasaya pag nariregaluhan ng kanilang mga anak. Lalo pa mga baby pa kanilang mga anak. She's from heaven. Heart size of the Amazon. Hand steady. This is us before Call Me Mother. So this is us after the movie. Starts to dance. Oh, mystical, magical, beautiful queen of the night. Ooh, Shiva by her side. I know that's right. Ah, look out, make way, tear up, don't play, cut it off, grow back, throw back. Oh, in the stands, tell me who can. May thought gap asa ko na scam. Who's gonna stop me from giving my all? Deserve na ko ni siya. Deserve ba na ko ni comment below?
Deserve. Bago sila mag-comment, papalit na niya.
Napalit na ako, so wala mo yung choice. Anyway, since it's the season of giving, I will be having a giveaway for this video. So 3 lucky winners will win 500 worth of GCash. You just need to like, subscribe, comment W, and share this video in order for you to have a chance to win 500 worth of GCash. The winner will be announced on Sunday before our next vlog will be posted. Enough of the chit chat. Let's get in today's vlog. Let's do the mini haul. So first, we have here this very cute dinosaur for Kaiden. So for sure magugustuhan niya to. Next, we have This is also for Kaiden. Binili ko to siya guys kasi her mom, Kain, shout out to you Kain, she is a fan of anime. I don't know if fan siya ng Hero Academia but I'm sure she will be happy for Kaiden kasi anime. Wala lang, feeling ko lang. Also, I got this on sale. Next item we have this terno. Very cute guys. Very cute terno. Ito yung shorts niya. This is for Lucas guys. And I like this because the color and I really like this. If napapansin nyo guys, mga sleeveless yung pinamili ko sa mga bat. It's because guys, sobrang init ng General Santos and para siguro di sila mamawis and magkasakit, binilihan ko sila ng mga sleeveless. And I'm sure magugustuhan to ng kanyang nanay. Nikki, shoutout kay Nikki. Actually, bibilhan ko pa dapat si Lucas ng isang laruan na truck. However, di ako makapili. It's because di niya pa ma-appreciate yung mga laruan na ibibigay ko sa kanya kasi nga, sobrang bata niya pa guys. Parang mas nafe-feel kong mas masaya yung nanay nila compared sa mga bata. For the last item in this mini haul, dumaan ako ng National Bookstore and they are on sale. Akala ko para sa mga inaanak ko lang. But, binilhan ko ang aking sarili. Strange Houses and Strange Pictures, guys. Nanghinayang ako kasi they are on sale nga. 25% off ko silang nabili. Kaya, grinab ko ng opportunity, diba? Sayang naman. May madadagdag ako sa aking TBR. Sobrang dami pa. Since kakabalik ko lang sa YouTube, I wanna set goals for myself. For short-term goal, in a span of a year, I wanna achieve at least 1,000 to 5,000 YouTube subscribers. For long-term goals naman, I wanna be consistent on making and uploading videos on YouTube every Sunday, 6 p.m. Also, I wanna produce high-quality videos, travel vlogs, more travel vlogs, and most importantly, I want to inspire others just like what happened to me. And I think that's it for today's vlog. If you have any other recommendations or vlogs that I should do, please don't forget to comment down below. Again, we will be having a giveaway. 3 lucky winners of 500 worth GCash will be announced on Sundays. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe in order for you to have a chance to win the raffle. So see you again on my next vlog. Bye!